5-minute meditation for restoring feminine energy. Take a slow breath in and let it melt out gently. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. Feel the weight of your hips, your shoulders, your legs. You do not have to hold anything right now. Let the ground hold you. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Each breath brings you deeper into softness, into safety, into your feminine center. Now bring your awareness to your lower belly, the space beneath the navel. This is your feminine energy center, your source of intuition, creativity, wisdom, and power. Place a gentle hand there if it feels comfortable. Breathe into that space, slowly, softly, as if your breath could reach all the way into your womb space. Inhale warmth, exhale tension. Feel this area soften. Feel it expand. Feel it open like a quiet flower at dawn. With every breath, imagine a warm golden light building there. A soft glow that fills your lower belly, then spreads upward into your ribs, your heart, your chest. This is your feminine energy awakening. It is calm, it is strong, it is steady. Let this warm light flow into your heart space now. Breathe gently into the center of your chest. Feel your heart soften. Feel it widen. Feel it let go of the weight it has carried for years. With every exhale, release old expectations, old stories, old roles that no longer belong to you. Let them fall away like dried leaves in autumn. Take another slow breath in and imagine your heart and womb connected by a glowing ribbon of soft light. This is your inner balance, your true feminine power, your healing. Let this light spread through your whole body now into your shoulders, your arms, your hands, down through your hips, your legs, your feet. Your entire body is held in a gentle warm glow. You are safe, you are grounded, you are enough. Repeat softly in your mind, I return to my center. I restore my feminine energy. I receive peace, I choose softness, I choose myself. Take one last deep inhale, filling your belly, your chest, your heart. And exhale slowly, letting your whole body release into calm. You are balanced, you are supported, you are home within yourself. Rest here for a moment and let the peace settle into every part of you. Your feminine energy is awake, rested, and restored. With your next exhale, release any tension in your face. Let your jaw loosen. Let your eyes become heavy. Feel your forehead smoothing out. Another slow breath. Feel your shoulders soften and melt downward. Let the space around your neck relax. Imagine warm, calm energy flowing down your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, feel your chest and your belly soften. Your body is shifting into rest, into safety, into stillness. Let this gentle wave of relaxation move down your spine, your lower back, your hips. Sink a little deeper into your bed. With every breath, your thoughts slow down. There is nowhere else to go, nothing else to do. You can simply be here. Allow the calm to travel down your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally into your feet. Feel warmth collecting there like soft sand settling at the bottom of the ocean. Take a long, slow inhale, and let the exhale drift out like a quiet sigh. Your entire body is relaxed, supported, safe. If any thoughts appear, let them pass like clouds across a gentle night sky. Do not follow them, do not chase them. Just watch them soften and fade on their own. Now picture a soft, warm light above you. It glows like the last light of sunset. This warm glow drifts slowly downward, wrapping around your body, comforting you, protecting you, guiding you into deeper and deeper rest. With each breath, the light becomes softer, and your mind becomes quieter. Your body knows it is time to sleep, time to restore, time to let go. Take one final deep breath in, and let your entire body release on the exhale. You are safe, you are calm, you are drifting into peaceful sleep. Rest now. Good night.